UpNote versus Nimbus Note. We're going to talk about 3 key similarities and 3 key differences. To start it off, both apps offer two-factor authentication to help you keep your notes safe. Both offer notebooks and tags in a hierarchy to help you find your notes when you need them. And both are able to import Evernote. 3 key differences, though, include UpNote has a rich text editor with lots of options you can see at the bottom of the screen. The second thing I'd like to point out is that UpNote does a much better job at importing all notes and attachments. Nimbus Note, I actually had some missing data within notes and actually missing attachments as well. And the third difference is I will say that UpNote offers the ability to lock your notebooks. Nimbus Note does not. So to wrap it up, which one would you choose, UpNote or Nimbus Note? Please subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more tech-related content and you enjoy your mobile experience.